Ivory Coast, the world's leading cashew producer, is at the heart of a remarkable agricultural revolution. In 2024 alone, the country is expected to harvest nearly 1 million tons of cashews, accounting for about 20% of the global market. But behind those impressive numbers lies a fascinating journey, from the lush orchards of West Africa to exquisite snacks around the world. So how are cashews grown, harvested, and processed to retain their fresh flavor? Find out in today's video. The journey of a cashew tree begins long before the seeds appear on the tree. It begins with careful soil preparation, as cashew trees thrive in well-drained, sandy loam soil with a pH of 5.5 to 7. Farmers select seeds directly from healthy mother trees or from commercial suppliers, ensuring they are free of pests, disease, or defects. When the seedlings are about 40 to 60 cm tall, they are ready to be transplanted into the orchard. This usually happens during the rainy season to take advantage of moist soil, which helps the roots develop. Spacing is essential for healthy cashew growth. Each tree is typically planted about 8 meters apart in both directions, allowing for adequate space and sunlight. Farmers dig planting holes about 30 to 40 centimeters deep and wide, add a layer of compost, and gently place the young tree in before covering it with soil. As the trees grow, they need regular watering, especially during dry periods, along with effective drainage to prevent root rot. Pruning is an important maintenance activity, which involves removing dry or pest-infested branches and weeds, helping to ensure that the tree's nutrients are directed to vital areas and minimizing the risk of disease. Ivory Coast has nearly 1.4 million hectares dedicated to cashew cultivation. Here, cashew trees begin to flower from December to February, just after the dry season. The flowers, which are pale yellow or pinkish white, emit a delicate fragrance that attracts pollinators, an important step in the development of the cashew nut. Cashew trees begin to produce harvestable fruit after 3 to 4 years of planting and reach peak productivity after 8 to 12 years. The fruit is ready to be harvested when the shell turns from green to brown or red, a sign of ripeness. This timing is crucial because only fully ripe cashews will yield the best flavor and nutritional value. Harvesting is mainly done by hand, either by collecting the nuts that have fallen naturally or by using long poles to gently pluck the nuts from higher branches. Only the dry, brightly colored nuts, usually red or yellow, are selected to ensure optimum quality. This manual method reflects the care and precision involved in every step of the cashew production process. After harvesting, the nuts are sun-dried for 2 to 3 days, depending on the weather, and their initial moisture content. They are spread out on tarpaulins or cement floors to ensure even exposure to sunlight. This traditional drying method not only preserves the natural flavor of the cashews, but also reduces energy costs compared to industrial drying methods. After drying, cashews are transported to processing plants, where the journey becomes increasingly technological. First, the nuts are washed with purified water in high-powered cleaning systems to remove dirt and impurities. This is followed by a controlled roasting process that enhances flavor and crispness while reducing moisture. Roasting parameters are carefully adjusted to achieve specific flavors. Shelling is one of the most important and delicate steps. Modern shellers are equipped with rollers, blades, and pressure systems that can process 45 to 1,000 kilograms of cashews per hour. These machines use smart sensors to ensure precise shelling and minimize breakage, making them 5 to 10 times more efficient than manual methods. Once shelled, the cashews undergo rigorous quality control. Each cashew is inspected for size, color, and shape to ensure that only the best make it to the next stage. The final steps in the cashew production process include roasting or packaging the raw cashews. Roasting enhances the flavor of the cashews and removes any remaining impurities. After roasting, the cashews are vacuum-packed to maintain their freshness and extend their shelf life. These bags of cashews are then placed in large bins for wholesale distribution or packaged into small retail packages. Cashews are incredibly versatile. In addition to being a popular snack, they can be made into products like cashew cheese or dishes like fresh cashew salad, crispy fried rice, nutritious cashew milk, and even cashew cookies. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating journey of cashews, from their humble beginnings in the orchard to the delicious snacks we love, Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture and food innovation. Have you ever wondered where the journey of those sweet melons begins and what they go through to arrive on your delicious dining table? Behind every melon lies an inspiring and fascinating story of dedication, modern farming techniques, and a deep passion for agriculture. Today, join Sprout Garden to explore this incredible journey from sowing seeds, nurturing and harvesting to when the fresh, sweet melons finally reach your hands. Cantaloupe is a warm climate crop, best suited for regions with tropical and subtropical climates. This plant thrives in areas with abundant sunlight, temperatures ranging from 25–30 degrees C, and well-drained soil. Particularly, nutrient-rich soil with balanced pH levels provides ideal conditions for vigorous growth and healthy development of the crop. Specialized machines will create beds about 20 to 30 cm high, 1.5–2 meters apart. After being shaped, the soil beds also help improve drainage, reduce the risk of root rot, and also support highly effective melon growing and maintain stable humidity. After shaping, these beds are covered with a thin layer of plastic film to retain moisture and prevent weeds. This membrane also helps regulate soil temperature, creating a favorable environment for plant growth. When everything is ready, semi-automatic planting machines will help make planting more efficient. The seedlings are carefully placed into small holes that have been prepared on the plastic film, ensuring accuracy, meticulousness, and speed. This process not only saves time but also minimizes errors, creating a solid foundation for plants to grow strongly. To protect young trees, specialized machines will erect white plastic frames, creating mini greenhouses, helping the seedlings avoid harsh weather and pests. Caring for melon plants requires meticulousness and high technique to ensure the plants grow healthily, resist pests, and achieve high yields. During the growth process, the plant needs to be watered regularly but just enough, avoiding waterlogging because the roots are very sensitive to soil that is too wet. In addition, periodic spraying of pesticides with safe doses and compliance with quarantine periods is necessary to protect plants against harmful agents such as fungi, insects, and viruses, helping plants grow naturally. Course. Harvesting melon requires delicate observation and special skills from the farmer. They determine the ripeness of the fruit based on the color of the skin, from dark green to creamy yellow or light yellow, depending on the melon variety. The sweet aroma of the fruit and a slightly dry or split stem are also obvious signs. During the harvesting process, farmers gently pick each fruit to avoid damaging the delicate skin. In large fields in the U.S., modern conveyors are often used to increase harvesting efficiency. Workers carefully inspect each tree, pick ripe fruit, and place them carefully on the conveyor belt. This system helps protect the delicate melon skin while increasing productivity and significantly reducing the need for manual labor. After being carefully harvested from the fields, the melons will begin their journey to the processing facility. Here, the processing process is carried out with extreme meticulousness to ensure the quality and freshness of the product. First, the melons are put through a high-pressure water spray cleaning system, which helps remove all dirt, soil residue, and remaining impurities from the field. This process not only cleans the surface but also ensures that the melon is ready for the next steps without damage. Next, the melons are moved to the grading area where they are fully evaluated based on size, color, shape, and ripeness. Workers inspect each fruit to select those that meet the highest standards: creamy yellow skin, uniform size, and characteristic aroma. After being carefully selected, these melons will be carefully packaged, ensuring freshness and quality are maintained throughout the transportation process to consumers. In some places like Japan, inspecting and packaging melons, especially premium varieties, requires a completely manual process to ensure absolute quality. Each cantaloupe is thoroughly inspected for any scratches or imperfections. After that, the melon stalks are meticulously cut and beautifully shaped according to high aesthetic requirements before being carefully packed into boxes. This process not only demonstrates craftsmanship, but also ensures that each melon meets standards of perfection before it reaches the customer. Besides being consumed as fresh fruit, cantaloupes are also processed into frozen products to prolong storage time and serve many different purposes. The processing process begins with peeling off the skin to reveal the fruit's flesh, then cutting it into small, regular pieces such as cubes or thin slices, depending on requirements. The melon pieces are then rapidly cooled at extremely low temperatures to maintain their natural freshness, color, and texture. Finally, the product is sealed in specialized bags or boxes, ready to be transported to the next markets or processing plants. Cantaloupe cultivation is a global effort with major countries such as the US, Mexico, and China playing a key role in production. Among them, China leads the world, accounting for nearly 50% of total global output. Mexico, one of the largest exporters, provides the main source of cantaloupes for the North American and European markets, meeting the increasing import demand of countries such as Japan and Germany. In 2024, global cantaloupe production exceeds 35 million tons, reflecting strong consumption of this popular fruit. In general, cantaloupe is an easy plant to grow and adapts well to many conditions. In addition to traditional cultivation on land, melons are also cultivated in greenhouses or greenhouses, where the environment is controlled to limit pests and optimize productivity. The method of growing on substrate combined with modern hydroponics also brings uniform product quality. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for joining me in exploring the journey of growing cantaloupes from planting to harvest. If you like this video or have any questions, leave a comment below so we can discuss. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to update more interesting stories about the agricultural world. See you again in the next video.